This is another example of our Forex News grid trading system. This time, we are trading on British Pound Japanese Yen pair, which is well known with its high volatility and strong movements. We are using a rather aggressive strategy too. We are aiming at 25% of net profit per single session. And yes, that's perfectly doable with grid trading. But enough talking. Let's watch. As usually, we start just before the news, drag and drop our EA. Load the settings. Click OK. We check again, a few minutes after the news has hit. And, yes, the market is responding. There's quite some movement here. And we already have a trading grid in place to capture it. Then, here we are on the very next bar. There has been some vicious movement. You can see why this pair has been dubbed the Beast. And we are already making some nice profit. More than 4% currently. We are taming the beast. A couple of bars later, trend continues strong in our direction. Our trading grid works perfectly. This is the time to say that grid trading does not lose during trends. You can see it here, there's a strong trend going on, and yet, we are making profit. Don't ever allow anyone to tell you that grid trading loses during trends. It does not. In fact, as you can see, it thrives on trends. We check again a few bars later, and now the picture looks a bit different. The trend has stalled. At this time we don't know if it will continue or not. There's not much time left either. There are only a few bars till the end of the session. Still, it could be a few strong trending bars. We just don't know. So, we decide to watch it closely, and to act if needed, in order to save our profit. A bit later, on the same bar, seems like the trend has resumed. Perhaps it was only a retracement after all. Still, we would like to see how the bar will end. This is the time when we do evaluation. The last bar ended okay, upwards. Not a big bar, but still in the right direction. However, we already know there's not much time left till the end of the trading session. We can also see that the last several bars have been mostly sideways. For these two reasons, not much time left till the end of the session, and market not moving strongly in our direction, we decided to lower our take-profit target. Let's try to capture whatever we can, so, we do a manual intervention. We update our profit target to 10% net profit. Later, on the same bar, we can see that market is not really moving in our direction. The trend is over. We can close now if we would like. However, we decide to wait a bit. The end of the trading session is near anyways. And yes, here it is. A few minutes later, we've reached the end of the trading session and our trading robot is closing all the trades. This is it. We've made 7% net profit for just a few hours of trading. And just for reference, here's how the market developed after we closed, till the end of the day. We can clearly see that the trend had ended. The news generated some movement as expected, but it was not a big one. Still, our trading grid captured it, and we were able to make a nice profit. Our Forex News grid trading system did it, yet again. This is grid trading. Come and join us in the grid trading course. Experience it yourself.